So in this video, I'm going to show you how to color grade multiple clips at once. Yes, you can do that in Premiere Pro. So how to do that? Let's just say we want to color just this clip here, this particular clip. So what you have to do is, normally we go to Lumetri Color and you go to Creative. If you can't find this panel, come to your workspace here. Make sure that this thing is turned on, Effects. And if Effect is turned on, make sure you come to your workspace and you change it to Effects here. So don't mind this, my only PC. Yeah, this is my settings. This is my settings for my workspace settings. So whatever workspace setting you are using, you can come here and save as new workspace, as new workspace here. So this is the name of mine that I'm using currently now. So just in case you can't find what I just go through now here, just come to effects here, yeah, and whatever way you've arranged your workspace, yeah, you can feel free to like save the new workspace. So okay, back to where we are. So what you have to do now is to come here, you come to creative here, you choose the lot you want to use. I choose this. So this, I like using this lot, cinematic lot, yeah. So I can reduce it. I like reducing the intensity a bit to probably 80. Yeah. So as you can see, this lot I just put here now, or this grading I just did on this particular video, didn't spread across this particular one. So I really want to add this same effect, or this same color, or this same color grading, or this same lot to the rest of the video. So what you have to do is simple. Create an adjustment layer here. Once you create an adjustment layer, okay, create an adjustment layer, you drag and you drop it to your clip. You can stretch it to wherever place you want it to like occupy. Probably it might be from the beginning to the end, or probably it might be from here to here, anywhere. I would like my own to start from the beginning to the end. So create the adjustment layer, place it on, allow it to cover the clip to the particular clip you want the color grading to end. So what I have to do now is to, that particular color grading I've applied to this video, I'll click on the clip and I'll go here to my effect controls. This is the Lumetri Color here. I Control X on it. I've cut it out, then drop it on this adjustment layer to touch or to affect the rest of the clip I've just put. So yeah, so if you want to know if it touches the clip, you can see the before and after. Just turn it off, you can see it. Turn it on, yeah, it is back. So that's it. So subscribe,